Hello everyone, this is Dr. Smita Chakote, own consultant cosmetic dermatologist practicing since last 24 years. And yes, I'm on a mission. Mission duty Sundar Honar. In next 3 years, I would like to make 1 lakh women beautiful. And in this series, we are coming up with wonderful interviews from the best cosmetic dermatologists all over India. So here we are presenting one of the most beautiful cosmetic dermatologists whose name is Dr. Kanchan Ukrande. So I really welcome Dr. Kanchan Ukrande, and she completed her MBBS from GMC Nanded. And after that, she has done her diploma in dermatology from Ashwini Hospital, Solapur. And later on, she has worked in Mumbai with Dr. Lata Trasti. And she has learned very late cosmetological treatments. And here, right now, she is practicing along with her husband, Dr. Ajinkya Ukrande, who's a plastic surgeon. And Dr. Kanchan is practicing cosmetic dermatology in Elite Clinic in Solapur. So welcome, Dr. Kanchan, on this platform of
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Let me introduce myself again. Myself, Dr. Kanchan Ukrande, and I am a consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist. I'm practicing since last 2 to 3 years. So I did my fellowship from Mumbai, which from the very reputed dermatologist. I would like to give all the services in Solapur, whatever done by celebrities. So thank you, Smita ma'am, to inviting me for on this platform. Thank you so much.
wonderful. And you mid-age women, all of you all, once you cross your 35 and 40, there is some aging signs you see. And what are they? Definitely, when you look yourself into the mirror, you see the wrinkles coming around your eyes, on the forehead, and on the nasolabial fold. And you really get worried. My God, am I growing old? And here we have Dr. Kanchan answering the question. Yes, you are very much right. Today we are going to have a discussion on Botox, that is botulinum toxin, or the miracle injection called as anti-wrinkle injection. So yes, Dr. Kanchan, I would like to know what is wrinkle. Our women would like to know about it. What is a wrinkle?
Basically, we all are going to age for some or other time. But wrinkles can be prevented by many of the injections. Right now, we can completely vanish the wrinkles with the Botox. Wrinkles are nothing but finally everyone having some wrinkles on their face. So we can treat them with the Botox. Thank you.
Wonderful. We, all the women out there on this Mission Beauty platform would like to know what exactly is this Botox, ma'am. Can you highlight what exactly is Botox?
Yes, ma'am. Botox is actually a neurotoxin which acts on the nerve endings which are present on the muscles, and it required to cause the action of the muscle, that like contraction. When we express our face or we give any expression on your face, then at that time the muscle, usually we use that muscle to express our expression. So to repeated expression may lead to the wrinkles, and that muscle contraction is permanent. To avoid that, we inject the Botox, and which prevent the permanent contraction of the muscle. So temporary relaxation of that muscle is done by Botox.
Wonderful information. So it is basically, this is the nerve and this is the muscle. So here this connection is broken with the help of Botox. It is so simple as that. And you
Yes.
are just relaxing the muscle. That is the action of Botox. Now, next question is our like to ask, yes, doctor, I'm coming to your clinic and I have taken a Botox. How much time will it take for my wrinkles to vanish, doctor?
Ma'am, just within a week, we can see the effect of Botox. and it is a lunchtime procedure. So patient need not to invest too much time, and patient will get result within 7 days.
Wonderful. So you have to go to Dr. Kanchan's clinic, get the injection done during your lunch break, and then after 7 days, you will look younger. Isn't it fabulous and marvelous? The next question is, many of the women would like to know, is it harmful, doctor?
No, ma'am, because Botox injection, botulinum toxin, we use in very minimum required quantity. So excess use is prevented, and the FDA approval is also there for the facial wrinkles. So we can safely use without any harm, without any side effect.
Wonderful. So it is not harmful as Dr. Kanchan says about it. Now the next question comes, who can take this particular Botox injections, Dr. Kanchan?
Ma'am, anyone and everyone can take with anyone and everyone with wrinkles can take Botox. Minimum requirement is age should be more than 18 years, and patient should be healthy. Patient should not have maximum expectation. And
Okay. Patient should have some realistic expectations. Don't expect something miracle to happen. What will happen is the wrinkles are definitely going to fade and definitely going to look less. So your skin is going to look more tighter and relaxed. So those lines will fade away.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The lines will vanish and the natural look will be there. So if you use in excess amount, it may give you a mask-like look. But if you go with a trained person, so you cannot feel the mask-like look.
Is there any person whom you would say we should not take Botox? Is there any such problems if they have, they should not take Botox?
Yes. Usually the neuromuscular diseases such as myasthenia gravis and many more neuromuscular disorders, generally we avoid in such patients.
Okay, so any muscular disorder, neuromuscular disorder, so if they have the nerve function disorder, they should avoid taking the Botox injection. Now the next question, doctor, the woman has taken Botox injection from you. Now how long is Botox going to last and how often she needs to take the second dose of Botox?
Yes, Botox is done after every 4 to 6 months, and it will last up to 6 months. Even some of the mine patients, they even notice the duration up to 8 months.
Okay. Can you just highlight what could be the approximate cost of vanishing our periorbital wrinkles?
The minimum, the range is vary according to the units used here during the procedure, but minimum 6,000 and maximum 21,000.
Okay. How often can anybody give a top up to it?
You can repeat the procedure after 6 months. Every 6 months you can do it. Even in some patients, for like a masseter is shaving muscle. So in that case, if you have a very squarey or broad face and you want to reduce or you want to give a V shape, which is very trending nowadays, so we can use Botox in such cases, and when repeated use of Botox in a masseter can give you a permanent slimming of the face.
Okay, so somebody, if they have a very round face and they are looking obese or they are looking, very round and they want to give a slimmer look to their face, definitely they can go for Botox. Which are the areas, Dr. Kanchan, that Botox can be given?
Generally, all the facial areas, including the forehead and area between two eyebrows, then periorbital means area around your eyes, and these marionette lines and smoker's lines. And you can also do for your neck wrinkles. You can also do for hair fall and many more in the scar areas also.
Okay, wonderful information. So basically, Botox can be for the forehead wrinkles, for the periorbital wrinkles, for the perioral wrinkles, for the marionette lines, for slimming your face, for cleaning up your neck. So it's like vanishing all these wrinkles. There's a wonderful happened with me when I first learned Botox, around 20 years back. And one of my teacher gave me a Botox injection, a little bit was remaining. And she said, Dr. Smita, yes, go ahead and go and inject to any of the patients you like and experience. So I went outside and there was a lady who was with gray hair sitting outside in the porch. And I told her, you know what? I'm going to make you look younger by 10 years. Would you like to look younger? I'm going to give you this injection. And then, what did she say? She said, lady, it has taken so many years for me to earn this beautiful gray hair and all these wrinkles. And I'm sorry, I don't want them to vanish away. So we will have different categories of people coming into our life. There'll be one who wants to really take care of your aging process and don't want anybody to show what is their age. So definitely, it's for these people that Botox is a miracle answer. My next question to you, Dr. Kanchan, is it painful?
No, ma'am. Actually, it is absolutely pain-free procedure. The mild pain is there, but it will reduced by topical anesthesia, which we applied 30 minutes before the procedure. And this is, as you said before, it is a lunchtime procedure. So patient can walk out within a 30 minutes.
So if a patient takes an appointment for this wrinkle reduction, on an average, how much time she needs to spend in your clinic?
Hardly 10 to 15 minutes. Procedure needs very minimum time. So patient can join their duties after the procedure.
There is a pre-anesthetic
yes,
team that you prescribe?
30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Okay. So you apply the pre-anesthetic cream 30 minutes prior, then you come into the cosmetic dermatologist chamber and it takes another 20 minutes time. So grossly, you are going to spend not more than 1 hour. Am I right, doctor?
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
So this was some very beautiful presentation on Botox. I would like you wonderful message, a take-home back message in regards to Botox to all the women out there who are in their mid-40s and who want to look young forever, Dr. Kanchan.
Actually, you all charming ladies, I want to say something about you. So, Botox can be done by anyone and everyone at your every occasion. You can do Botox, and don't afraid of doing all such procedures. And they are very safe nowadays. And please go through once, and you may feel better. Thank you. And be happy.
Wonderful. Do you think there is any role of facial exercise, facial yoga, to keep yourself fit and young and, look ageless, Dr. Kanchan? Definitely our women would get some other way also to keep themselves looking young.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, facial yogas. Sometimes it is helpful, but they will not take off all the wrinkles. For that, for your every occasion, you have to do or you can do Botox.
Yes. So yoga definitely has an add-on benefit, but definitely it cannot answer to erase all your wrinkles with the as beautiful as a Botox. So this was a wonderful interview from Dr. Kanchan Ukrande. So if you really like to erase your wrinkles and have an ageless, beautiful skin, definitely do contact her. We have given a contact number below. As we come towards the end of this interview, Dr. Kanchan, I would like you to talk something about Mission Beauty and about Dr. Smita Chakote, whatever you would like to speak on this particular Mission Beauty.
Ma'am, actually, I have no words about you. You are such a nice human being, and you are being my PG teacher. I have experienced many good and very healthy attitude towards students and all the patients. The work you are doing, Mission Beauty, is really nice, and I would like to be a part of your Mission Beauty again and again, ma'am. And very best of luck for you. And thank you.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful that you have spared your time from your practice. And she has two small, little, beautiful angel daughters, and she has given us this precious time to just, enlighten all beautiful women out there. And she has given us a great information in regards to Botox. Definitely, we are going to come up with some live series as well. This is just a small interview. So, ये तो trailer है, picture अभी बाकी है. So keep all your questions ready about wrinkles. Any questions? We are going to come in couple of days. Facebook Live and YouTube Live, and Dr. Kanchan will answer all your questions in regards to Botox. So it was wonderful talking to you, Dr. Kanchan, and wishing you a great success in your career. And thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.